Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn the basic of creating the HTML document, and we will see how we can implement the header tags, what are the container tags. So these basic stuff we will know. So let's dive into the video. Let's create one file and save it and name it as index.html. I'm naming it as index.html. You can name it anything you want. I have named it as index.html because uh, we use this index.html name. It is conventional to use this name where the application starts, but you can use your own name, right? So I will close this demo app and now I will work with this index.html only. Now, first of all, we need to understand that we are creating an HTML document, right? So, in order to show that, we will type exclamation capital D O C T Y P E doc type, and then we will name it as HTML. Okay, so this will tell that this document is of HTML type. Okay, now first of all we will see what is tag and how we write the tag. So basically tag is a syntactical way to show an element in HTML. Okay, so element is like anything like button, link, paragraph, images. These all are the HTML elements, and we show those by writing some syntax, and those syntax are called tags in HTML. How we write the tags? So in order to write the tags, first we will give the less than symbol. Inside that, let's say I will write the HTML. So this is the HTML tag. Okay. Now give the greater than symbol, and you can see here this is the opening tag. So with the less than and greater than symbol, this is the opening HTML tag. Okay. And if you are writing a closing tag, this is called closing tag. So closing tag is less than and greater than symbol, and then you need to put the slash. Okay, so this is how we write the tag. So this complete thing is the tag, and this one is the opening tag, this one is the closing tag. So for every element that we write in the HTML, we will use this tag, and inside this tag whatever content that we want to show, we will write here. Okay, this HTML tag is also called container tag. Why it is called container tag? Because we will write every tags inside this HTML tags. Okay, basically this HTML tag consists of two tags. One is head tag. So similarly we will write the head tag also. Okay, and then we have body tag. Okay, now the head tag is the portion where we write all the heading related things like the title of application, all the links that we will attach to this HTML document, all the dependencies also we will write in the head. Okay, and this body tag, it is basically the place where we will write all the contents. So mostly we will work under this body tag only. Okay, now if you see, this HTML tag is the parent tag, right? And inside this parent tag, we have two tags, which is the child tags. Okay, and if you see this head and body tag, these are the sibling tags. Okay, so this is how the hierarchy looks like. Okay, so right now if you see, we have only tags, and if you see the browser, it doesn't show any content. Right now, let's type something into the body tag. Let's write welcome to right click. Okay, if you refresh this page, you can see we have this text written here, right? Now if you see here in the tab, its name is index.html. Okay, now we will write one more tag in the head section. Okay, so in the head section we will write one tag which is title tag. Okay, and I will do the opening and closing tag. Inside this we will write the name of application that we want. Okay, so let's write it as demo. Okay, now if I refresh this page, you can see the title of this HTML doc has been changed and it's demo now, right? So these are the basic things that you need to know in order to start writing the HTML tags. So as far we have seen, this is the HTML doc type, and then we have a container tag which is HTML tag. Inside this container tag we have head tag and body tag. Okay, in the head section we will write all the links, all the title related things in the head section. Okay, and whatever the content of the HTML page we will write in the body section. Okay, and this body section we will in this body section we will write maximum of the code. Okay, we have seen how we can change the title of the doc by using this title tag. Also we have also seen how we need to write the tag. So basically tag is consist of two things, opening tag and closing tag, right? So opening tag is written as less than, then the name of tag, and then greater than symbol, and closing tag is written as less than and then slash, then the name of tag. Okay, so this is the basic idea that we have taken. Now in the next tutorial we will see what are the basic tags that is used in HTML. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.